to you?
A friend is someone who will stick up to you no matter what happens.
What qualities do you think are important in a friend?
The qualities of a friend that are important to me is their loyalty, honesty, trust, open-mindedness, and their patience.
Do you believe that there is an end to true friendships?
I believe true friendships do not end at all because true friendships, even though it's hard to find, it is something you should treasure.
What type of people do you get along with best?
The type of people I get along with are those with sense of humor, those I can talk anything about with, those who are open-minded, and who are not arrogant.
So I have 4 questions for you about friends. What is a friend to you?
Well, for me, a friend is someone who can accept your flaws and confront your mistakes. A friend is someone who can be there through the good and bad, even though you have inconsistent communication. And a friend is someone who cares about you.
Second, what qualities do you think are important in a friend?
Qualities that are important. Well, a good friend must possess good camaraderie, and he or she must also respect the golden rule of men, which is the bro code.
So third, do you believe that there is an end to any true friendships?
For me, I personally believe that there is no ending between true friends, because true friends stick together, and that the word respect is never removed from their vocabulary.
So last, what type of people do you get along with best?
I think I get along with everybody, especially with those people who think maturely and have respect for themselves and for other people.
Thank you, thank you.
So, a friend, someone you can trust, and no matter what or how long na wala kayo sa isa't isa, or hindi kayo nakikita, tapos malayo lang kayo. Tapos once nakita kayo, parang, ayan, friends pa rin kayo, parang walang nangyari, walang distance, walang time na nawala. Tapos dun pa rin, kung ano yung shared na happiness nyo, nandun pa rin.
Ako siguro yung friend, is someone na may bond of mutual affection. Yun.
Ako naman, for me, a friend is someone you're attached to and someone who will accept you. Feel ko ang friend dapat, kahit ano man sabihin mo sa kanya, ganon, hindi ka niya i-judge. Well, i-judge ka niya, pero i-accept ka pa rin niya kung sino. Ang feeling ko yung type of friend na makakasundo ko. Yung parang same kayo ng takbo ng isip.
Yung parang mag-click kayo, gano'n.
Yung parang same kayo ng wavelength.
Okay.
Yun. Oo. So, bakit yun?
Kasi parang, yung ang saya ng kasama mo, yung walang KJ, walang yung lahat ng trip mo, yung game lang kayo lang.
Tapos yung pag gusto nyo lang stay at home,
Tapos yung parehas yung principles nyo sa sa values nyo, pare-parehas. So parang, di ba, parang hindi mahirap kasama. Ganun.